What's up, everybody? I'm back for another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing a cervical neck pillow. Okay, it is by the brand Oyionic. Alright, and that's what I'm going to be doing. So stay tuned and hear about the great, wonderful features that I have been experiencing with this pillow here. Or shall I say, to experience. Alright, folks. So I'm here with the pillow. Alright. And it welcomes me with a hello. Let's open it up. Get you a little closer so you can see what's happening. Alright. So it's actually double wrapped. Okay. Comes with a great thing saying, "Thank you so much for your purchase. Your order made our day. We hope we make yours. If there's anything we can do for you in the future, please let us know. We're all ears." Alright. Pretty cool. Nice little hello. Alright. So, opens up and it comes to life. We're going to put that to the side. Alright, so let me explain this pillow to you. Alright. As you can tell, it's contoured for the neck. Okay. Pretty cool, right? Alright. You have two sides. This part is for your neck. You have two comforting sides. They are used, if you put it higher up and you use the higher side, you can use it to relieve neck pain and stress in your body. Okay? There's the back part. Alright. Now it has a zipper where you can open it up. Okay? And this is the memory part of the actual pillow. Okay? So, I'm going to be using this pillow over the course of the next week and a half, and let you know how it works out for me. Okay? But some of the features of this pillow, outside of putting it on the higher end, okay, is relieving stress and neck pain. Okay? For the pillow itself, you can only wash the case part. You cannot wash the memory part. If you do that, obviously you're going to mess the pillow up. It's memory foam, okay? Memory foam, in a way, it's memory. So it connects with the pressure that you put on the pillow, and it kind of like forms into your body. So if you just use this part and you lie down, you know, you're not totally getting the foam from the pillow, but if you lay your head here, you feel it settle. And what the memory foam pillow does is it provides comfort and kind of remembers where your head was at and shapes form into it. Okay, if that makes any sense. But I hope you'll see over the next couple videos how I have been doing over the past week and a half. All right. All right, folks, thanks for joining me. So I'm back. Actually, let me come down a little bit. So I'm back. It's been about a week and a half since I have tested out the pillow. And I gotta tell you, for somebody who's been a migraine sufferer for close to 20 years now, I can tell you I've had somewhat of an immediate, immense relief from the pressure that I typically have on my neck. Um, and usually when it radiates from my neck, um, and then like the side part of my body here, like the traps, it ends up giving me pain in my lower neck, and then it just radiates around. And I gotta say, immediately from the pillow, I did feel relief. Um, so I did want to say that you can see throughout the time in the video um, that I have used different portions of the pillow. You have the two sides of the pillow that are a bit higher that you can use when you're side sleeping. All right, and the middle portion, which is like shaped for the neck and contoured. Okay, see where I just folded it right there. All right, that's really used more for when you're lying on your back. The good thing about it is that it's shaped, at least for me, almost fitting to my upper portion of the body. Um, so I immediately am able to enter my neck into this area, the lower part of my head, and then the back part of my head here. My shoulders end up touching on the bottom part of the pillow. So I really feel comfort just in general. And I'm a deep sleeper, so once I fall out and something's comfortable for me, sleep like a baby. But I do gotta say, I really enjoy the pillow. It's soft. I thought it was better for me to shoot this video without a cover on top of it, because then you wouldn't really have been able to see the different design, how it is. All right, this pillow is specifically designed for neck protection. It's patented. You know, it doesn't really say that there's a cooling feature on it, but I will say, just generally speaking, I feel that there is some cooling system somehow built into this pillow. And it works for me. So, something that I'm definitely going to be using. I do use a variety of different memory pillows in general, but I'm definitely going to start using this and might end up probably keeping it for the long term, because I like the way it's shaped. I like the way it shapes to my neck, how it touches upon my shoulder, and I like the simple fact that I can turn on my side and feel more comfort. All right, because when you actually come into this puffier part, into this more, I guess, beefier part of the pillow, it provides so much comfort to it. You see, it's leveled. Okay, you put your like head rested up here, your neck, your shoulders are all down and supported here. So the pillow gives you like 100% support and protection. All right. So I did want to let you guys know about some things. In the description box below, you'll find the features of the pillow, my personal experience, just a brief on it and how it was. And you'll also find a 15, that's 15, okay, percent discount code below in the description box. You'll use that, okay? That's going to be 15N, actually, I'm going to just put in the below box, all right, in the description box, and then you can check it, and you can let me know if you order that pillow and how you like it, all right? So rather than me provide it verbally to you guys, it's just better that I put it in the drop-down box, all right? I hope everybody's having a great day. I hope that everybody's staying well, staying creative, most importantly, taking care of your mind, your body, your spirit, and everything. All right? And part of taking care of your body and part of taking care of your mind is having a good, comfy pillow. All right? If you have one of those very light and thin pillows that are providing zero support and zero protection to you, no good. You have to go with a memory foam. And I would go with a contoured pillow, just like the Oyionic pillow, all right? And what I'm looking at is the box, just so I can remember the name, because I will tell you, the name is unique, all right? Never heard of them before, but I said, you know what? Let me give them a try. Send me this dope card. with a thank you on the back. And I definitely appreciate that. You know, it goes a long way when a company cares about their customers and wants to support them and wants the best for them. All right. There's millions, probably thousands of pillows out there that you can choose from. And it's hard to choose because there's so many things out there. But what I liked about this was that the company was very responsive. Customer service responded in less than, actually, it was definitely less than 24 hours, and not for anything. It was probably within an hour or two. Uh, could be longer depending on what's going on in the time of day, because I usually reach out to people first thing in the morning, so maybe that's why it was faster. But, you know, I did enjoy the pillow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you have not already, subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell, okay? Because if you hit the little bell, you'll get all notifications, okay? It's very important as I try to post as often as possible, all right? Please be on the lookout for future workout videos, live sessions, and unboxing of various other products that I may order, all right? So again, your boy N10 reviewed and unboxed the Oyionic Cervical Memory Foam Pillow, all right? Get yours right now. Click the discount code below. All right, get that discount. All right, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace and love.